Guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, you're welcome. My name is Joy Romosele. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. So today we're making this very healthy and yet delicious vegetable stew. Guys, this is not your regular vegetable stew, trust me. This stew is without fish or meat, but still guys, this was super delicious and healthy. So guys, let's get started. So here is my choice of vegetable: pumpkin leaf, popularly known as ugu leaf in Nigeria. So I washed this multiple times to be sure there is no trace of sand, and I got this from one of the local markets in Abuja for 500 naira. So guys, I'll go ahead and pick this, then slice to my desired size.
They give me rest. When I look around, I see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees. Now you have it the best. Daddy, where the pampa, Daddy, where the bless. Forever you're my father. Now you they give me rest. When I look around, I'll see your faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best. Daddy, 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 oh, daddy, 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 with the pampa. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you will be the best. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around, turned it around. What the enemy meant for my downfall, God has turned it around for my good. What the enemy meant for evil, God has turned it around. He has turned it around. What the enemy meant for my downfall, God has turned it around for my good. Now I can see everything turning around. I can see it turning around. I can see it turning around for my good. I can see everything turning around. See everything turning around. See everything turning around for my good. I can see everything turning. See everything turning. See everything turning around for my good. And I can see God changing situations. He is changing lives. Oh, turning around for my good. I can see Yahweh turning around. Turning. See Yahweh. Cause he's a daddy that powers, daddy that blesses. When I look around, I see his faithfulness. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now he be the best. Daddy, where the papa, daddy, where the bless. Daddy, where the pampa, daddy, where the pampa, daddy, where the bless. Forever you're my father. Forever, daddy, with the pampa, daddy, with the bless. Daddy's changing lives around. Daddy, with the pampa, daddy, with the bless. you're an amazing Father, and you're giving me rest. Daddy, you're my Father. You give me rest, you give me peace. I'll bow down, I will bow down. I'll bow down on my knees, cause now you did bust my brain. Now you did bust my brain. Forever you're my Father, cause now you will be.